welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. So today we're doing a jerk pork leg. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the jerk seasoning, so the Crazy Chef jerk seasoning and the Crazy Chef marinade, and we're gonna some scallions. We're just gonna break it up. Jalapeno, cut it in half. Fresh thyme, just gonna break it up on there. And garlic, just gonna give it a smash. Give it garlic, give it a smash. A little bit messy. Ginger, we're gonna give it a smash. That, give it a smash. A little yellow pepper, chop that up. Green pepper, chop that up. Some onions, cut that in half. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put it here, put all this in there. And we're gonna stick it in there. Then we're gonna take that, we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna put that there. Oil, always. So we put our oil in, make a little space for our bowl. A little bit of browning or gravy master. If you don't have browning, browning is this thing. It's Grace browning, or you can use gravy master. A little bit of Cajun style seasoning. You can use whatever dry seasoning you want. We're using Cajun seasoning. A little bit, not too much, of the Crazy Chef jerk. A little bit of the marinade. A little more. Mix that together. Dump it on there. You're gonna get all of it. And that's what you're gonna do now, is you're just gonna rub this in. Get it underneath the fat. And get all of it in there. Like the garlic and stuff, we're gonna put it inside where you have the fat. We're gonna stuff all that in there. We're gonna put some thyme in there. We're gonna stuff all that stuff in there. That's what's gonna give you all that flavor. We're gonna put some over here. We're gonna put all that stuff in there. Put stuff here. Add like a teaspoon of salt to taste. Give it a nice little massage. And now we're ready. Let's put this guy in there. This guy too. Let's put this guy under here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wrap it. So wrap it with some tin foil. And we're gonna bake it for, I think we need a little more tin foil. A little bit more tin foil. So wrap it with some tin foil, and we're gonna bake it for at 325. So we're gonna bake it low, 325 for an hour. So after an hour and a half, this is our pork leg. Oh yeah. See that skin? Nice and soft. So I'll take my knife and I'll show you just how easy it is to cut right in there and cut it open. See? See the tenderness? See how it just opens up? So it just separates from the bone. Right like that. Look at that. That's awesome. See that? That's awesome stuff. That's awesome stuff. See that? It's awesome stuff. Just comes right off the bone. See that? Just comes right off the bone. Just like that. No pressure. Crazy Chef, thanks for checking out the vibe, and as always, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next vibe. Crazy Chef.